Ingenium engine. Beautiful. Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back at, look at the clouds in the sky and the huge tankers over on the horizon right there. Yeah, you know where I am. This is Copart and I am having a ball already. It is a cold morning, but we're not gonna let that, put a chill on anything. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna start off with a very cool Subaru WRX from 2022. How do you like this in red? This is gorgeous. I love this. Now in 2022, you get a new engine. I think it's a 271 horsepower turbo engine. The ride, according to Consumer Reports, got a little harsher. They say it's loud on the inside. You get nice Recaro seats. Lost type is undercarriage on this vehicle right here. But this is a sporty looking car. I mean, look at the rear diffuser back there. You've got the black accents. This is nice. This is really, really cool. And I do like red. And it looks like this paint, well, it's only 2 years old, has held up very, very well. I don't see damage on the outside at all. There's a little bitty scratch right here that will certainly buff off. Looks like they may have had some kids, so they had the little sun protector on the inside. Tires are great. Rims are great. What happened to her? Undercarriage, she just must have run over something. I love the scoop too, I really do. Let's take a look inside and see what she's got for us today. We're gonna start with the back seat. Oh, I like the red stitching. Okay, you have cloth seats. Kids may have done something here. It's kind of messy back here. But it will certainly clean up easily. You got a big screen up front. Look at this. Okay. I love the seats. I really do, although I don't know what's happening. Is it just the stitch or the fabric that's it's not coming out on my fingers? So all of the seats, ooh, look over there. Yeah, these seats should be cleaned pronto. First and foremost, we have power, which is really, really good. We have an oil change sticker. It was due at 25,000 miles at 6/27/24. Here we go, key in ignition. We have the Subaru Starlink activated. I love it when the dials do that. Okay, well, we do have an engine. We have the door open indicator. Traction control is off. These are manual seats, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with that. Nice little touch screen right here. Nothing on the radio. She's idling a bit high. That's okay. Let's see how loud it is. Yeah, you can still hear that exhaust. That's a loud exhaust. Cool looking dash. There's no sunroof or moonroof or anything. Look at this. Miles per gallon. Got your PSI. Is this for your turbo? Yeah. See, it's on vacuum right now. See? See how it changes? There we go. Oops. Uh-oh, it's got my bracelet. Hold on. Hold on, buddy. Don't break this. Okay, I've had it forever. Yeah, we only have the traction control that's off. 26,991, so you're about 1,000, almost 2,000 miles overdue. It just doesn't want to come down off the idle. Let's go ahead and open the hood, see what the engine looks like. See if we can give it a listen. We'll take a look in the trunk, see if there's junk in the trunk. And I do like the steering wheel on this. I really, really do. It's nice. Okay, we're coming around to the back. Well, all your floor mats. This is an undercarriage piece right here. And that looks like some, engine cover bolts. So something has happened to her. I don't want to let her idle for a long time, just in case it's like coolant related or anything. We'll watch the dials very, very closely. Here we go. This is where the good stuff happens. Yeah. Engine is fine. Yeah, we just don't seem to have a whole lot of coolant right in here. That could be an issue. But I don't think they let her get over, I don't think she overheated or anything. Now she's coming down a little bit. Now she's slowing down. She just had to reach operating temperature, I guess. Yeah. Cool, cool, cool engine. How nice is this? Okay, because of the coolant, we're going to turn her off. But there's no damage other than whatever is happening below here. And I can't really see because I don't want to get on my knees because they got these boulders right here. But this is a very, very beautiful car. And you can probably pick it up and save some good money. This is really nice. Ugh. You got to really reach for the door. See the temperature? We're not even off cold yet, so that's fine. No problem. All the windows are going to work. It's a 2022. Yeah, this is super cool. All right, so if you're interested in a Subaru WRX with an automatic transmission, this could be for you. I like it in here. It's a comfortable seat. This Recaro seat right here, it really holds you in. You're not going anywhere as you're, doing your thing in these cars. That's cool. All right, let's see what else we can find. My baby girl is still here. I've been waiting for her to come up on the auction block. She's sitting low again, but once you give her power, she raises right up. This is a good-looking Mercedes SL. I do. I like it. I think the wheels are cool. It's got good Michelin tires on her. She's just been here for a while. She's waiting for the perfect person to come get her, and that's me. That's us. That's you and me. Absolutely. There we go. She is really, really nice. Winter is here. You're looking for an SUV that would be good looking and performing in the snow? Could I interest you in a 2000 Jaguar F-Pace? This is gorgeous. Yeah, this is a small SUV. You get a couple of choices in engines. There's a supercharged V6 or a 2-liter turbocharged engine. I think in 2018 they added another one. We'll have to see that. Maybe they went from supercharged to turbo on the V6. We'll just have to look and see what she's got for us. I don't see damage right here on her at all. Ooh, we have some nice little SUVs here. She's in great shape. We have Continental tires. No problems, no problems, no problems at all. Yeah, Continental. Yeah. Now, Consumer Reports says this is nimble, it is sporty, it is fun to drive, one of the best handling SUVs, but they say the interior quality isn't up to snuff with some of the others. What is the loss type on this? I need to look at that first. Unknown. It is unknown the problems this car is experiencing. Okay, and yeah, you know what? I automatically agree. Just the stitching, it just doesn't look like it's very fancy. And this is a very inexpensive vinyl feel for me. Look at the huge roof. Look at that. Nice. You got a very cool fabric to go on top there. The headliner is nice. The stitching, it's the stitching and the quality of the seats. That's what brings it down. I like the colors though, the black and the tan and the white. It's a good looking SUV. Up here in the captain's seat, this was a shorter person. Hopefully, ow, my hat just fell off. We do have power, 109,000 miles. And she comes alive. Ignition is on. Looks like we have a check engine light, tire pressure light, SOS system disabled. I think that's what that said. Press OK to clear. I don't know where the OK button is. Where's OK? What's going off here? Ignition is on. She's just not happy. She's not very happy at all. Can you feel the vibration? Yeah, I don't like how she's sounding. So we're just gonna stop this immediately just to protect her. I love how this kind of comes up and down. That's really, really cool. I love the Jaguar here, but boy, this engine, she was not happy. Let's take a look and see what she is. Here's what she looks like under the hood. This is the Jaguar Ingenium engine. Is that like unobtainium? I don't know. Whatever it is, it was not very happy at all. It did not seem to like being on. Okay, this is the turbocharged. So I don't know if these have a great reputation or not. Consumer Reports didn't seem to have a whole bunch of information on them other than the general little paragraph. So we're gonna say thank you. Hopefully somebody will come by that knows a lot about you and will take you home and fix you and then enjoy you, because you are. It's a good looking SUV. And it is kind of cheap looking on the interior. That's unfortunate. That's okay though. I don't know what you think about should we check out her neighbor? Isn't that a pretty picture right there? Look at that, with a gray, cloudy sky, a gray Beamer. This is gorgeous. This is the 2017 BMW X5 with the xDrive 3.5 engine. Oh, this is beautiful. They've been doing these kidney grills forever, and I like them. I really do. This is a good looking silver. We have a little bit of a rash right there. We could treat that very, very easily. Lost type is all over. Huh. I don't know if I agree with that, because it looks really good to me. It does. Look how they've cut the circles out of the rear bumper for your exhaust. Nice. This is gorgeous. Silver. Is the interior black? Probably so. Look at the big old gigantic tires. Look how fat those are. Look at that thing. Okay. I'm liking this. Let's just look right here. Uh-oh. Do we have access? Uh-oh. Tell me. Look at this. So they do have slots in the front bumper for the air to travel to cool the brakes and the wheels and everything, and then the air can come out right here as well. Nice going. That headlight is gorgeous too. Look at it. Beautiful. All right. Hopefully this door will open for us. Yes. We're in. We are in. Smell test. Kind of floral is a good word for it. Look at the stitching on these seats. See the difference? See how this has the nice stitching? I don't know what you call this, but it is so much better than just the regular one in the Jaguar. Big difference. Oh, this is a firm seat too. We do have power. That's good. Let's see what she's got here. Start and stop. Service is due in 3,100 miles. She has 40,000 miles on her for 2017. So she's 7 years old. That seems to be pretty low mileage. She sounds good too. Holy moly. Okay, we got some people. Susan and Jerry and BMW driver number 3. Let's be number 3. Oh, see how everything changes? The mirrors are adjusting. The steering wheel adjusted. Oh, this is nice. Typical BMW switches right here. You have your Harman Kardon radio system, speaker system rather. You got a gigantic sunroof. That's huge right there. And look at this. That is really nice. Do we get to listen to it? Is the sound up? Oh, that's a good sounding system. That's nice. This is a cool looking instrument cluster too. Well, how do you like this? I seem to like it a lot. Let's go into reverse. Oh, we went into drive. Let's see here. Here we go. Look how clear the camera is right there. That's nice. Okay, now we're going to drive. Perfect. Put her in park. Yeah, she runs and drives. She has heated seats. Oh, Mikey likey. I do. I really like this a lot. And they've cleaned it out for us. There's your bike pass. Why would someone send this to the auction? I don't know. I mean, it's just beautiful. Let's check out the engine. Here it is, right in the middle, right where it's supposed to be. You got your BMW twin turbo power. And look at how clean. For 40,000 miles, she looks good. She sounds like a new BMW engine too. I mean, a little clickety-clackety, but not too much. She is just rock steady though. Yes, sir. Okay. Well, this would be fantastic in the snow. And now that she's on, look at the headlights. That's gorgeous. That is really nice. I thought it was cracked at first, but this is, both of the lenses have this right here. Okay. You know what? Touch this up, get a little silver paint. She's perfect. There's a little scuff right there too at the bottom of the bumper. Oh my goodness. Here you have a very nice example of an X5 that would be so much fun to have. All the doors are locked. I don't like that. Let's open the rear tailgate. Oh, cool. Did you open for me? No? How come? There we go. You got to push down on it. Here she is. Oh, uh-oh. Why would they have this out? This is used to pull vehicles. I can't drive it. I mean, I can put it in gear, but I can't make the vehicle actually, you know, drive around the yard. Maybe, I don't know. I'm going to be positive and just believe that the transmission is fine. I love this protector, that little mat right there, which is nice. All right, thank you, sir. Close it up. Silver and black, beautiful. That is going to do it for another walk around video, folks. Thank you so much for watching these. I really have a good time out here. Be sure to let me know which of these three vehicles you like the most. And yes, absolutely, stitching makes a difference. That is the lesson that we have learned here today. I got to find the name of this stitching. It's the double pleated butterfly stitch or something like that. I don't know, but it makes a huge difference. And then if it's in like a silver color or a red color, va va voom. Yeah, not just like a regular stitch over in the lowly Jaguar over there. I can't believe I said that. Anyway, thanks for watching. We're back with another video very, very soon. Be sure to hit that like button. And if you have not subscribed yet, please, 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 please subscribe. I would certainly appreciate it. All right. Have a great day. And I hope 2025 is the best year of your life yet. All right. We'll see you. Bye-bye.